Hello friend, today we are going to install Eclipse IDE for Windows. If you want to download Eclipse for Java, you don't need to install JDK. It contains JDK by default. Now just first search Eclipse, download and hit enter. And after that just click on this link. Okay. Okay, after that go down and click here to download executive file. It will start downloading soon. Just click here. Okay, it will start downloading. And after downloading, we will see how to install it. Okay. After downloading Eclipse, just double click on the download file. It will start installing in your machine. Okay, I just minimize this. It takes some time. Have patience. Okay. Now just find for which language you want to download Eclipse. We have C, C++, we have PHP, or we have Java. For this video, I am going to install Eclipse for Java. Just double click on it and just click on install. Okay, it will take some time and install in your machine. And after that, you have to launch Eclipse. Okay. And after installing, just click on launch. It will again take some time. Okay. Okay, if you want to change your workspace, you can select from here, and I just keep it as it is and click here if you don't want to see this pop up again. Okay, and after that click on launch. Now after that, I have already this project. If I want to create a new project, just click on new and click on Java project. And after that, it show you this type of window. Here provide the name, for example, Java project, and just leave all other thing as it is and finish it. And after that, just double click on it or just click here and click here, and now double click on it and create a new class. And after that, just name class main, or you can name anything. Okay, and after that, just click here and just remove this. And package should be like com dot jars. You can name according to your name. Okay, jars. Then click on finish. Just check your name, your package name should be in small case. Okay, and after that click on finish. It will create our first Java class. Okay, now I have to just remove this as system dot out dot println, and after that provide round braces and quotes hi pro learners. Okay, hi bro learners, and after that you have to provide semicolon. Okay, now just click here and click on run as Java application. Now it will start running. Click on OK. You can see hi bro learner is printed. Okay, this is how you can install Eclipse and then create your first project in Eclipse. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel, share with your friend. and bye bye.